Hey, what's going on, working class hustlers? Thanks for joining me. And the question of this video is, can you still make money on Amazon in the year 2020? And obviously the answer is yes, at least in my opinion. If you watch this channel, I mean, why in the heck would we be putting out videos three times a week without fail, unless it was actually working? I've been doing this now on this channel going on 3 years. Hopped on Amazon selling when was that, July of 2017. If it wasn't working, there's no way that I could still be doing that. But you don't really have to listen to me. All you have to do, watch this. We're gonna look at a couple of things. I did a quick search. Now watch this. Because here's the deal, guys. There's no rocket science to this, okay? The only thing I did was, here, watch this. The only thing I did was a search. You see that? Amazon stock price history. There's nothing, you can do that on Google, right? You can type in Amazon stock price history. Look at what you're going to find. Look at this, okay? We're looking at, what is this? We're looking at 5 years, and look how the price, look what's happened with the price in the last 5 years. Okay. So that should tell you something right there. $3,011.67 is the current stock price. But I mean, if you look at the last 5 days, if you look, at the last 6 months, all you see is an upward trend. You see what I'm saying? They are a powerhouse, and you don't need me to tell you that, guys. I mean, the question is, can you still make money on it? Check this out. Here we go again. You don't have to listen to me, but if you can type in if you know how to type in a search on Google, you can get the same information. Watch this. You see that? How many third-party sellers on Amazon? That's the question. Nothing crazy about that, right? And watch what happened. I went to 2 sites. Percentage of paid units sold by third-party sellers on Amazon platform as of first quarter, and over half of the sellers on Amazon, over half of the sellers on Amazon are third-party sellers. That's you and me, okay? Another site in that same query, look at, more than 50% of all Amazon sales come from third-party sellers. There you have it, guys. I mean, that means that Amazon needs us. There is money out there, and don't let anybody tell you that it's not. And here's the thing, guys. I don't care if you're doing arbitrage like me. I don't care if you're doing wholesale. I don't care if you're doing white label or actually creating your own product. I wouldn't advise it, but heck, I'm not even going to speak against drop shipping because I don't really know that model. There may be people actually making money with it. Never worked for me, but I'm not here to promote a particular business model. I'm here to tell you that there is money to be made on Amazon based on my experience. And now we're going to look at my experience some more. So check this out. So here we are in my Seller Central account. Okay. And look, you can see that today is July the 6th and the year is 2020. And you can see what I've sold today, unless we've sold more. Oh, we have. So we're up to 10 sales today. We're up to 831 sales for the last 30 days. We're up to $16,833.24. Okay. And if you look here, watch what we're going to do here. We're going to go into our reports. Okay. We're going to go, let's see, we're going to go month to date We're going to apply that. We're going to take out this. And actually, we're going to take out this month. So we're just looking at last month right now. And you can see the number of units and the total revenue that came in. And I think the lowest day that we had was 14 units. Okay. And we're just moving along, and up and up. And then if we look at this month so far, and we'll just, okay. So here's what you notice. There is no day where I didn't have any sales. Okay. And watch this, guys. We're going to go year to date. We're going to apply that and look at what we did last year, the year 2019. Okay. And now here we are basically halfway in to 2020. And look, we've already surpassed what we did last year by $4,000 already halfway through the month. So you can't tell me that there's no money to be made. You can't tell me that there's no growth, to be had out here for third-party sellers. That's the numbers talking. That's not my opinion. That's not a theory. That is actual numbers. So that means something for you. You're out here on this channel to figure out something for you. So take in this information, look at those numbers so that we can apply it to you. And you gotta understand, guys, this is a channel for working class hustlers. That means if you are a working class hustler, you're like me. That means you work a regular job. If you follow this channel, you already know I work a regular job as a truck driver. So you're not gonna tell me that you can't make money in this, okay? Now, you may say, hey, Horace, yeah, that's great. You're showing me your numbers, but what do you really get to keep out of that? I know what you mean, because most people aren't going to show you that. It's great to show you revenue. Yeah, but how much do you really get to keep? Because revenue doesn't mean anything, right? Now watch this. Now we're going to go into a software that I use called Inventory Lab. And here you can see this actually takes into account the business, your expenses. So last month, after, $16,232, that looks great for a guy that works a regular full-time job, making a pretty decent living as a truck driver. That sounds great, but what did I really get to keep? Well, you add another $2,665 to your bottom line. Or the previous month, you add another $3,700 to your bottom line. And of course, you got to pay tax on this part, but you're going to pay taxes anyway. So my point is this. This is what you call transparency right here. If I want to stand up here or sit here and tell you how you can be making money, then I got to show you what you actually get to keep. And I don't have a problem with that, because that's how we do it. And that's why I encourage you to subscribe to the channel, because you already know the value that you're going to get. You know that every Thursday and every Friday and every Saturday, we're going to have videos up. We go live on Saturdays. That's why you want to hit the bell notification if you decide to join and become a working class hustler. I show you everything that you need, and you don't have to sign up for my free masterclass. You don't have to give an email address. You don't have to sign up for a 2-hour webinar so that you can become more confused and then I can ask you to buy something. No, everything you need is right here on this channel. 3 videos going up a week. What are you waiting for? Subscribe and hit the bell notification. Why? So that you can be notified on Thursday, so that you can be notified on Friday, so that you can be notified on Saturday, and you can join the working class hustlers of America. And let me show you something else. As long as I'm talking about how you can make money, how do I find the products? Let me show you the process, because it's so easy. It's great to say, yes, you can make money on Amazon. How? What's the process? It's very simple, and I'm going to show it to you right now. I use this software. It's called Tactical Arbitrage. I also do retail arbitrage. Watch some of the videos where I show you me going out to stores, and I show the actual products that I buy, and I show when they sold and how many they sold and whether I made money, whether I lost money. So, but if you, down in the description, you'll see a link so that you can get a free 10-day trial, cost you nothing. And what you want to do is, we got a whole series. See, we're not just going to tell you, get the software. No, the software is robust. It's got a lot going on. And it's not fair to you to say, well, sign up and use my affiliate link. No, no, no. We got a whole mini series, a whole playlist that we put together for your benefit so that you can learn how to use the software, top to bottom, soup to nuts. Then we say, sign up and get the free training, get the free, trial and all of that stuff. So let me show you something real quick. So here's what the software would look like. So here I'm buying the product, or the product is at Walmart. Here is being sold on Amazon. If you can buy it for $7.94 and you can sell it for $17.29, you would profit $4.19. And that's a 58% return on investment. Now, you might not be interested in this. You know what you might do? You might say, I'm not doing all that. I'm going to go watch a video that teaches me how to hopefully make 12% on the stock market. You see what I'm saying? You got to get your mind right. Get your mind right, get your money right. The software has everything that you need. What's the estimated monthly sales? Do you think you could fit in if Amazon's selling over 2,000 of these? Do you think people actually use antacid? You think Americans have heartburn? I mean, you got to start thinking like a business person, okay? And that's what this channel is all about. Guys, there's nothing hard about this. You click, you find the product, on the website, there it is. Is it at the price that they say it is, $7.94? Yes. Okay. Can you sell it? You may not be able to sell it. How about having a software that can show you that right off the bat so that you can keep moving and focus on where you can make money? Is it on Amazon for $17.29? Not exactly, but it's in the pocket. Okay. Now what you could do is take a little more time and check out your competition. That's another step in the process. You're going to be shipping your product into Amazon and letting them do everything for you so that you can continue working your regular job or living your life and doing whatever you want to do. Okay. So here, even if you had to drop your price down to where this guy is, you could still make a couple of bucks. Okay, that's all you got to do, guys. I'll give you another example if I can find it. Okay, look at here. Here's a product from GNC. It's called Mega Men. Can we sell it? Yes. It's supposed to be on GNC for $44.99. Now the software is telling me if I was smart and I used my cash back and I used a gift card that I could get from Card Cash, okay, if I used my cash back from Rebates Me, then I would only pay $35.55. You see how you can be saving money? And is the product out there? Yes. At GNC, is it $44.99? Yes. Is it on Amazon for $64.99? Not exactly. Prices change though. You have to understand, prices are very dynamic. So again, you would check your competition because your competition is only the prime sellers. And there you have it. So, there is money to be made out there, guys. Again, I advise you to watch some more of these videos. Amazon isn't going anywhere. And with 50% of its sellers being third-party sellers, there is room for you. But you have to take action. You have to follow people that know what they're doing, that are truly transparent, want you to succeed, and are actually adding value every week. Okay? See, here's the thing. If you follow my channel, you know what you can do? You can go all the way back to 2017 and watch me freezing my butt off on the docks, getting rained on in the yard, out there backing up an 18-wheeler, out there delivering freight. I got videos where I'm at Amazon's facilities, picking up, delivering, and talking to you because this is my journey. I share it with you. I'm not even on a mission to get rich right now. I'm on a mission to get an extra $800 to $1,000 a month in my bank account, which would make a huge difference in my life and get me going towards something better, so that maybe you get a benefit out of it. What we've done, we've created the Working Class Hustlers of America, and we get together, we build each other up, and we take action. That's all you got to do, guys. Sitting around and just watching videos is not going to make it happen. You have to put this stuff into action. That's why I'm always showing you my numbers, so that you can see I'm taking action. That's why I'm always showing you the mystery van full of items, so that we can go through it and figure out how you can be taking action. This isn't about me. This channel is not about me. This channel is about you. How are you going to benefit from this? Guys, give the video a like. Get excited. Get excited. This is for you. Yes, there's still money to be made on Amazon in 2020 for you. It doesn't matter about anyone else but you. So give it a thumbs up, comment, share. Let me know. Are you a working class hustler? If you're already a working class hustler, you better be leaving a comment. You better be lifting us up so that we can continue to prosper out here and grow and develop as Amazon sellers. Watch the next video, guys.